yesterday. There was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
It's your show.
It's your video.
It's your show.
It's your video.
Yeah, but you do the introduction. Let's do it.
Hello, welcome back to Life of Midwife. Kevin has an unboxing to do.
Buddy, it's
But
not for
somebody thinks that it's his video.
you. It's not your video. Yeah. So Amazon just had their big spring sale. So this was on sale. I can't remember, $194, I think. But I got this. We have one, but the one we have is just like cold water. There's no steam, no heat.
Ooh,
This is a newer one that has the heated water, the steam, so it cuts the grease better and stuff when you're cleaning for spots.
Oh.
Yes, that's why I got this.
Gotcha.
Yes. Okay. So we got.
Tell Daddy, say that Amazon man was not nice, man.
Yeah, that's the. It's just an extra attachment. Pet Pro, just some.
Oh, that's for you, bro.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Oh. There we go. So it has 3 settings up here. You can just do water, just steam, or water and steam.
Oh, cool.
The power button. Yeah. So it heats it up and yeah, let's see here. I have my glasses.
Brody, do you want to tell your friends what that Amazon man did? Say he put it in front of the door, rang the bell. Mummy went to open the door, could only get the door open a couple inches, so she yelled, "Excuse me, I can't open the door." And the man said, "Oh, I thought it opened the other way."
Yeah.
And I'm like, well, it didn't matter if it opened the other way because you put it in front of the door and I can't open it.
Yeah, so this is the, I think that's the, is that the 5-inch tool?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's the water. I think that's the, where's this, the water side? Yeah, so that's the water. Yeah.
Cool.
Oh yeah, it's good.
And Brody,
And
just because Daddy got a new machine doesn't mean that you can go and make a mess for him to clean it up.
no,
He doesn't need to test it, okay?
exactly. Yeah, you heard it.
It's so pretty. There we go. All right. Cool.
Yeah, that's it.
Cool.
Something new.
See you later.